Hello all, it's 2022. Let's take a trip back to 1977. You have your favorite hobby magazine out, stage popular electronics, radio electronics, and you're learning about all the stuff you have to learn. That was the pathway for learning through magazines back then, before the internet. You get to the back, you get a lot of pages structured with ads such as this. This particular one is full page ads. It's all Optoelectronics goodies. There's quite a few clock things on here. We're going to look at this little guy and focus on him for this episode. See the Works clock kit. It's Optoelectronics 850-4 CP. I assume that's for the clear plexiglass so you can see the works. $23.50. You can have this kit. Back then, you're talking 1977. Digital clocks were only out for, say, 5 or so years. So for $23.50, you get yourself kind of cutting edge technology. 6-digit clock. You order it by mail, you get it in the mail, and off you go. You get it home, open it up, you look at something like this. It's your parts list, component info. You have your board with your component layout. 6 displays in this case. Fairchild FND 70 and FND 359 must have been compatible at the time. It looks to be that you can cut this board the way it's laid out, put jumpers, resistors for it, put it at different angles. It's your foil side. I guess you'd flip the board over to maintain alignment for everything. The other option, it looks like, this one being the 850-4, you can get a bigger board, where the FND 359 displays were just under or about 3/8 of an inch. You can get the FND 503s, which were approaching half an inch. So here's the circuit. Starts again with her MM5314. 6-digit driver transistors. This is a multiplexing circuit. So you strobe hours, minutes, seconds, faster than the eye can see. And looks like we have just one transistor circuit representing 7 different segment driving arrangements. And that's about all we can say about this. So let's bring out the gem. I have to say, I've had this out of my possession for a little while. Another caretaker, friend of mine, Matt, 50s transistor radios. He was caretaker for a little while. I was happy that he let it out of his clutches so I could have it back in my collection, because this clock is a little special to me. It was one of the first ones I was looking for when I started the hobby of collecting these. And we have our 6-digit driver down here. Let's take care of some glare here. There we go. We're seeing this a little better now. 6-digit drivers on the bottom. Segment drivers up here, 7 transistors lined up. Current limiting resistors. And it looks like the paperwork said anywhere between 100 to 270 ohms on these resistors. This clock originally had 100 ohms. I think Matt, while he had it, stepped them up to 220. I recommend that if you have one of these clocks or something like it from back then, run these things a little softer with higher resistance. It's not a bad thing. These displays were getting driven hard, and The transistors do like to fail because of that, and you can kind of get some longer life out of it. I also like to run 9-volt wall transformers on these rather than the 12-volt ones that a lot of these kits suggested. I'll just do a little walk around, a side view, back view with hold, fast and slow set buttons, and that's pretty much all there is to this gem. So, I do hope you enjoyed the video, and stick around for more, and thanks for watching.